Hi guys, welcome to another video from Quattro Tech Cars. As you can see, this one's a little bit different to what you might have been used to when looking through our page before. So in this video, we're taking a look at this newly converted van. So this was worked on by our guys at the Van Works workshop just next door. It's a T30. It's got two owners from new. It's the 2-litre TDI. And through this video, I'll just be showing you what they've done to it. So keeping with Quattro Tech Cars tradition, we'll work our way from the back and then work forward through the vehicle. So I've got this little hatch here open just so I can show you through there. You have the 100 amp hour smart battery. So that's a lithium battery as well, and that powers pretty much everything from the front seats backwards. So things like the power sockets, the USB, and the interior lights. And that is hooked up to the solar panel, which we have on the roof, and that goes through the max power point tracker, which is also in this little crevice in the back. This van conversion is full of little creature comforts as well, so once you're done doing what you need to do in there, it has a nice little soft close, and that is the same throughout the build on the interior. As you can see here, this is where the flat pack table is stored, and this is really easy to fit on the interior of the van, and I'll show you later on in the video how that looks. So let's have a look at the rear cabin space in a bit more detail. Okay, so here's the table that I showed you earlier on in the video, and on here you've got a little arrow just to show you unlock it by pushing it that way. Out comes the leg, turn it all the way around, and then on the kitchen side, just along here, you have a rail. Get it in line, just give it a little push, and then you have a perfectly level table to eat your dinner off. So I'm now sat on the inside on this lovely Fabworks fold-out bed. So it's in the chair position at the moment, and it's actually really comfortable. On the side of me here, we've got a nice big storage compartment where you've actually got a shelf on the higher part, and then loads of space under here where you can put things like your pots, pans, plates, or bags, whatever you need when you're going on your travels. And then super easy to use. So we've got the pop top bed open, so you can see it's got these hydraulic struts that easily support it, and once you've pushed it up about 10-20 centimeters, it does the rest of the work for you. And now we've got a whole load of headspace. And we were on the topic of luggage space in the previous section of the video, so there's just some more here just so I can show you what there is on the offering. You have all the wiring neatly tucked away, as you can see in the corner there, and everything you see like this is a nice soft close. So you just do the first little piece of work and it does the rest for you like that. Here we're just having a look at the sink and hob conversion. So the sink's really easy to use. This simply goes up and down. There's no water actually in the tank, but you pull this up and that is your power, and that sucks it through. That closes up nice and easy, and then you have a flush worktop, and over here it's LPG, and then you've got your spark and then your heat adjuster, which again is just as easy to use as your normal conventional kitchen. And again, that closes up nice and easy like so, and you have these handles to pop your fingers through and lift up. I was just talking about the cooker and the sink. Underneath in the cupboard here you have your water tank, and then just next to it you have the LPG for the cooker. These close nice and easily. Again, it's soft close, so they sort that out themselves. And then here you have the fridge, which is connected up to the battery that you saw in the beginning of the video. So it's all brand new. It's not actually had anything in there just yet. It's all a brand new conversion. And that shuts up like so. And then to finish off, there is one more drawer. And of course, this van is converted with the all-important van shades, which are famously really easy to use and really effective. Obviously, when you're camping, you're going to be needing to use all sorts of appliances and charging bits and bobs as well. So there has been a 240 volt socket installed in there for you. And so you can see what you're doing in the kitchen. If it's nighttime, you have an LED strip just up here, and that is touch sensitive on the end here. So to turn off, just like that. A really handy feature that's installed onto the inside of this van is of course the electrics. So you've got a touch sensitive button here which turns on the skylights on the inside, as you can see there and along the edge. And you also have a USB-C and USB port where you can plug things like your phone, tablet and other devices in. Just to show you the Fabworks double rock and roll M1 crash tested bed in the folded out position. Really easy to use. You just pull the tether, which we can show you on the right hand side, and then it folds down like you can see now. It's also worth mentioning, as part of the flat pack bed, you get inertia 3-point harnesses as well to go with the current health and safety legislations. So here I'm just showing you what it's like when you've got all the zips undone. So you've got your fly nets on either side, and then just a nice big window area in the biggest section of the pop top at the front, and it all rolls up nice and neatly out the way for anyone inside. Here you can see the installation complete of the deluxe Oztops bed. So what separates it and makes it different from the standard one is you've got those nice plastic springs that can then go underneath the mattress that will fit on top. This van is the Highline model, so it does have the all-important air conditioning. So when you're driving around in the summertime, you're not going to get too hot. You have another 12-volt socket just in the front there, so you can plug a phone charger in or anything that you might need. It has access to digital audio radio, so you have DAB, FM and AM, and you can also plug your phone into the USB just there, and whether you've got Android or iOS, you will have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So there you have a nice little video of our camper conversion from VanWorks. Obviously there is a lot more about this vehicle that we haven't discussed in the video, but you will be able to have a look at that in the advert, and of course you can just give us a call and we can help you through the process. It's worth noting all of our vehicles go through a structural mechanical check before they're ever sold. An MOT is complete at the point of arrival. All the cars come with 6-month warranty and 6-month roadside assistance. That warranty is national as well, so you can use that at any VAT registered garage. So if you're interested in this van, or if you have any questions about it at all, please feel free to give us a call and we'll be really happy to help. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.